Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we are diving into a report from Traws Pharma, and based on what's inside, things are about to get a little bit bird-brained. Seriously, we are going to look at bird flu data. Traws Pharma just released a report, an 8K to be exact, detailing some exciting new research. The big news, they presented data at a conference about their drug, tivoxavir marboxil, and its potential to fight against the dreaded H5N1 avian influenza, also known as bird flu. This drug is being looked at as a possible one-dose treatment, which would be a game changer if it works. Let's see what this report says. This report is a Form 8K, also known as a current report. Companies use these to quickly announce major events to investors. It is like a bat signal for the stock market. The report mentions a poster presented at the International Conference on Antiviral Research, or ICAR. The poster highlights positive data suggesting the company's drug, tivoxavir marboxil, could be a good option to treat bird flu. The research includes the results of a phase 1 trial, which tests the safety and dosage of the drug in humans, and data from a rodent study where the drug showed it could protect against H5N1 bird flu. The report includes a copy of the press release about this research and a copy of the poster itself. These are exhibits or extra documents that give more information on the main announcement. Before we go any further, there's a warning. The report has what they call forward-looking statements. This means they're talking about what they expect to happen in the future. It's like saying, we think this drug will be a success, but they are not promising anything. It's super important to remember that these are just predictions, and reality might be very different because a lot of things can go wrong in drug development. They even list a bunch of risks that could mess things up. The report has 2 exhibits attached. Exhibit 99.1 is the press release that talks about the poster presentation, and Exhibit 99.2 is the poster itself. The press release talks about how tivoxavir marboxil showed promise against bird flu in a rodent study and was safe and well tolerated in a phase 1 trial. This is exciting because bird flu can be really dangerous, and having a one-dose treatment could be a big deal. Finally, the report ends with a signature from Werner Traws, the Chief Executive Officer of Traws Pharma. This signature means that he believes the information in the report is correct. Now let's step back and look at the bigger picture here. What does all this mean for Traws Pharma? This news could be a big win for the company if this drug continues to show promise in later trials. If the drug works and gets approved, Traws Pharma could make a lot of money and, more importantly, help people fight a deadly virus. However, drug development is a tough business. There's a high chance that the drug could fail in later trials, not get approved by regulators, or not be successful in the market. All these things can cost a lot of money and time with no guaranteed payoff. The fact that they are working on a drug for bird flu could give them an edge. It shows that they are working on important problems which could attract investors and partners. The forward-looking statements in the report tell us that Traws Pharma is hopeful about the future but also aware of the risks. They know that success is not guaranteed, and they are telling investors to be cautious. Traws Pharma seems to be headed in a good direction by focusing on important health issues. They need to be careful and manage their risks well to succeed in the long run. So what's the final verdict? Traws Pharma has some exciting potential with this bird flu drug, but it is still early in the game. Investors should be aware of the risks and watch closely to see how the drug progresses through clinical trials. It's a high-risk, high-reward situation. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give us a like, drop a comment, and definitely subscribe for more Corporate Decoder deep dives. See you next time.